come, let's talk about some of the stuff that more run go Jamaica, go grab and come back. First on the list, our soursop. Can't forget the soursop, because we often make the soursop juice them. Then we have the cornbread and the cocoa bread. Not cocoa bread, raisin bread. We have our Jamaican beef patty, and these are the one that is already baked. We have the onion bits. It doesn't taste the same, but may I work with it same way. We have our sugar cane, sweet sugar cane. We have our plantain chips. We have our apples. We have our scotch bonnet pepper. We remove the seed from it. We have our pimento seed, because you know the pot have a spicy up. We have a jelly donut, the prestige donut that is #1. We have our East Indian Jamaica mango. Oh my God. Can't wait for digging it. We have the callaloo. So we have to make some callaloo and saltfish shrimp breakfast. So we got that. We have some snack. We have the cheese chips, we have the plantain chips, we have the banana chips, we have the cheese balls. Oh my God. Here comes the chiffon butter. We have to grab a couple of that because you know, the white rice, panda bread, we have our peanut cake, we have our coconut drops, we have our bun, with gizzada, we have our frankfurters, we have ackee, and we also have some, what I call bami. Yeah. We have the bami. Um, one thing we're not gonna forget our pepper shrimp, because nobody does it like Jamaican. I don't remember the name of this, so only tag that in the comments. We have the jerk pork, and don't forget, last but not least, the KFC chicken.